Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add bookmark in Google Chrome. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Google and then go to new tab. You can be on actually open a Facebook or something. You want to be a new tab, and here you're gonna see Bookmark Manager and add page and add folder. You're gonna see Bookmark Manager here that I have, or you can delete from here. Or what you can do is just simply click on this tab here and add a page, right? And I can go with the name, I don't know, click here and add there youtube.com, or just copy the URL I copied, saved. And right now I would click here and it will automatically open me YouTube. Or what I can do is just go right click, and here I can go with the add folder and just create a folder if I want to. And this is the same when I have the psychology here, that I'm filling the courses because I really like psychology. But I have a problem with Western psychology, only because there is a psychology which should solve the problems of mental state of people, and yet we have such a rising of depression and anxiety all over the world. So it's not working in my eyes. So we need to create something different, in my opinion, because this is not effective. It's not effective at all. We need to, the battle is completely elsewhere, not on a psychology field, but a field of consumption of sugar, social media, and pills. Because we don't understand that what we eat influences how we think. And it's really, really important. And if we do sport, that is going to influence everything. So, yeah, this is what I have a problem with psychology. It's what's the point of learning it when it doesn't work? It's not effective. The fight is elsewhere. But that's just my opinion, that I'm going to really deep dive in the next few years, and I'm going to solve this. In my country, I don't know elsewhere, but in my country I will. That's my way. So thank you. This is how you can simply add bookmark in Google Chrome. And have a great day and goodbye.